Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need our assistance to format and publish your blog post, we can do it perfectly for you. Just contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can easily add tabbed style content in your WordPress blog post or pages. Firstly, I need to install a plugin. I am going to add new plugin page. Search here with Kadence. This is the plugin we need to install. I already installed and activated this plugin. Plugin name is Gutenberg Block with AI by Kadence WP. I am going to all post section. I am going to edit this post. Inside this post, I want to display tabbed style content. I am giving the line break here and I am clicking on this plus add block icon. After clicking here, search here with tab. You will get this block. Its name is tabs and it's coming from Kadence Block plugin, which plugin we just installed. Click on this block. After clicking, you will get those four style tabs. Which style you like, you may select, but for all of the styles, settings are almost similar. So I will select any one and I will guide you step by step how you can customize that one. After watching that customization, you can use any of one. So I'm going to select the first one. After clicking, you see my tab style content is displaying here. Now I will customize it step by step. After clicking on this block, automatically in the right side, you will get block section is selected. And after that, I am on general settings. In the general settings, it's displaying two types layout automatically selected on the first type, this one. But if you wish, you can make the second one also. So I am selecting the first one. After that, set initial open tab. If I click below, which tab you want to open initially when user will visit this page, you can select it from here. By default tab 1 should be, but if you want tab 2, you can select tab 2 and save. After save, click on view post, and if I come to the down, you see tab 2 is open by default, but it's not a standard practice. I think tab 1 would be the perfect. So again, I am selecting tab 1 by default initial open tab. Next option is content settings. If I click on this right arrow, first option is content background. By default, it's white, but if you wish, you can customize it by clicking here. After clicking, you can select color from here. You see, when I am clicking the color, inside the content, color is going to change. So I am selecting this as a color. So tab 1, tab 2, all of the content background color will be this. And next option is border. Right now it's 1 pixel. If you wish, you can make it 2 pixel or any other number, and you can change the border color also. And next option is border radius. If you wish, you can give the border radius, then it will be radius here. I am giving here 10. You see top left is border radius displaying. I am removing the border radius. Our general settings, all of the option explained properly. Now I am moving to the style settings. I am clicking on style, and first option in the style is tab title color settings. That means this tab title color settings. Tab 1, 2, 3 or more these settings. In the setting, first option is normal, second option is hover, and third option is active. By using this option, you can change the title color, title background, title border color. Let me explain. For example, at the normal, title color is this one. But if you wish, you can change it by clicking here. If you wish, you can make it this color. You see, normal color changed. Title background, right now it's on white. If you wish, you can make it this color. You see title background color also changed. And title border color, If you click here and if you select the border color, this one, you see border color is going to change. I'm clicking here and here border color showing different. I'm selecting this one. Come to the hover section. Right now if I hover, you see background color white, hover color is this one, and hover border color is this one. If you wish you can change it. And come to the active. Right now active section background is white, active color is gray. I'm changing it. Active background color I am making this one. You see it's already changed. If you want to change the tab 1, tab 2, tab 3 text, just give the double click here. Instead of tab 1 you can write hello 1 or whatever you want to write you can write. Just give a double click and write your desired text like this. Next option is tab title with spacing and border. If I click on the right arrow icon, it's giving me lots of customization option all about the width, spacing and border. First option is tab title width. It's normal width, but if you wish you can make it percentage width. And next is title padding. Right now top padding is 8, right 20, bottom 8, left 20 pixel. If you need to customize it, you can customize. Next, title margin. Top margin is 0, right margin 8, bottom -1 and left 0 pixel by default. If you need to customize, you can customize. And same as width and title border radius, by default they gave few value, but as per your need you can change. Come to the next option. That option is tab title font settings. I mean these font settings. If I click on right arrow icon, font size here is 1.1 em. If you click on this right here, you will get more option, like if you wish pixel, then it would be pixel. Then you can make it 32 pixel or 25 as per your expectation. You can change it. Next is line height, letter case, font family. By default font is getting from the inherit. If you wish you can give custom font. Just click at the right arrow icon and lots of font will display here. You can select any one. Next is font weight. It's also inherit, but if you click on this arrow icon you can make it regular. Letter spacing you can customize from here. Next is tab title icon settings. By default icon size is 14. If you wish you can make it more bigger. Tab 1 icon, which icon you want to select on tab 1, you can select it from here. Just click on this right side arrow icon. You will get lots of icon. For example, I want to use this first icon. Just click here. You see it's displaying on the tab 1. As usual, tab 2, tab 3 you can change, and you can give the direction which location icon should display. Right now it's on right side. If you wish you can make it left side or you can make it top. Even if you wish you can make it show only the icon, then text will be disappear. You see tab 1 text already disappeared because I selected show only icon. I'm going to deselect it, and tab 2, tab 3, as many tab will be here, you can select. Another thing is if you need more tab like tab 4, tab 6, tab 5, how you can do it? Just click on this block. After clicking this block, you will get this plus icon at the top. Click there, another tab will add, and you can customize it as per your need. Next option is tab subtitle settings. If I click on right arrow icon, I can enable show subtitle. Then below the tab text, subtitle text will add, and you can write subtitle as per you need. And from here you can change the subtitle font size, line height, letter case, font family, font weight, letter spacing, padding, margin, everything you can customize from here. Now come to the tab anchor settings. This is the last option from our style settings. I am clicking on the right arrow. Here you will get the same all tab settings. One by one you can click on this right side arrow icon, and if you wish you can give anchor, that tab anchor here, and it will work as per your direction. Now I am going to the last settings. From here is the advanced. If I click on advanced, first option is padding. Top, right, bottom, left, everywhere is a small padding. But if you wish, you can make it pixel by clicking here above this icon. It's 24 pixel top, right, bottom, left, everywhere. Content minimum height. If you want to make it customize the content minimum height, then you can input the pixel number here. It will be maintain that size. Max width you can mention here, and next option is advanced. By clicking the right side of advanced, you can use additional CSS class name, and by using it you can make more customization. And final part is when user will click on this tab, what content they will see or they will get, you have to select here. For example, I am clicking on this hello one, I mean tab 1 icon. After clicking here, I have to add text content below this tab. As example, I am clicking on this add block icon and I am selecting the paragraph. Now I can write this paragraph is for first tab. If I click on the second tab, I can select here. If you need to use headings, you can select heading from here. Any kind of block you can select here. Heading, text, button, table, everything you can use here. I'm writing this heading under tab 2, and if I give enter here, and again I can select another block. If I click on this plus, I can use image. If I search here with image, I can use image. You see, from the media library, I can add the image. It will display here. In the tab 3, if I want to add any other thing like list, I have selected the list. This is the list 1. If I give enter, list 2, like this. So already I explained how you can add tabbed style content to your WordPress blog post. By following the same way, you can add this tabbed style for your page also. And if I come to the right side general settings, if I want to use this style right now, vertical tabs, just click here, everything will be vertical. If I click on the left one, layout will be changed and it will reverse back to the default option. I am giving it save. I'm clicking the view post. You see it's displaying here perfectly. And after clicking tab 2, I'm getting the tab 2 content. After clicking tab 3, I'm getting tab 3 content. And by clicking tab 1, I'm getting the tab 1 content. I believe after watching this tutorial, you can easily add this type of tabbed style content for your WordPress blog post or pages. Today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting and uploading, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.